Sur les bords du lac du Bourget, la radio autrement. Radio Grand Lac.
Your English Weekly. Your English Weekly. La chronique 100% en anglais de Radio Grand Lac avec Sinead.
Hello, and welcome back to Your English Weekly on 92.1. Tune in every Tuesday from 12:30 to 1:45. Your English Workshop sponsors Your English Weekly. Your English Workshop is a training center for English lessons for adults and children in aix-les-bains and in the Ravoire. Visit their website for more information. So hello and welcome to Your English Weekly. I'm Sinead, your host, and Your English Weekly stimulates English speaking with an expression of the week in aix-les-bains and, of course, in France. Stay tuned because we're going to be speaking with Claudia L'Allemand. Is that right, Claudia?
L'Allemand.
Oh, I never get it right. And this week on our program, before we start, Claudia, do you know what the expression gigging means? Do you know what the expression gigging, to gig?
I think I know it. When I worked in music industry, we used to organize gigs. Would that be in the context?
We'll see at the end if you're right or not. We'll see at the end. So, Claudia, we're coming back now to our Claudia. Thanks today for coming. It's wonderful to have you here, and you're going to talk about CBD and your shop, Deli Hemp.
Deli Hemp.
Yes.
That's right.
So tell us a few details about yourself, Claudia, before we start.
Yeah. I'm from Normandy, living in Chambéry for 3 years. I studied communication, specializing in music and especially in live concerts.
That's where the gigging comes.
Yeah. I come from a family of 5. We grew up in the Northwest with beautiful sights, the cliff, the sea, and hills with fantastic fields.
Okay, so the Northwest, where's that?
In Normandy. Yeah.
Okay.
Near Caen.
Oh.
Then I went and worked in the music industry in a concert hall.
Yeah, good.
When COVID hit, so I had to reinvent myself.
Oh yeah, like many people.
So I was looking for something different because of the problematic musical context.
Yeah.
And one of my former colleagues suggested setting up a shop called Deli Hemp with CBD here in Barbara near Chambéry.
Fantastic. Yeah. So CBD, okay, that's a very, very interesting. So Deli Hemp, you set up after COVID because you were stressed
I can't
by
work anymore in music.
Okay, so this is what triggered this change from working in a concert hall and then going into Deli Hemp. Okay, so before we start, can you tell our listeners what exactly is CBD? Because Deli Hemp sells what you call CBD.
Exactly. But CBD is a molecule found in cannabis, which is the molecule that relaxes you. As you may know, in cannabis, there are 250 different substances.
Well, I don't really know because I don't smoke, but...
The 2 best-known ones are CBD and THC. CBD stands for cannabidiol, and THC stands for tetrahydrocannabinol.
Okay, I'm not going to repeat that, okay? Too difficult for me even in English.
So THC is an element psychotropic, which is illegal in France. Mm-hmm. And of course, in our project, THC is extracted from the plant.
Okay, so you extract this molecule from the plant itself. Okay.
We keep just the CBD, which is the relaxing molecule, with no second effects. And of course, it's non-addictive.
Okay, and you're sure it's non-addictive?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, so you said that there are different products. What type of products do you sell in your shop in Chambéry in Barbaras?
Well, CBD can be consumed in various forms. Mm-hmm. We sell flowers or the plant, if you like. We also have the famous sublingual oils that can be put under the tongue. We sell herbal teas or even cosmetics, everything for keeping yourself in a good mood or well-being.
Oh, okay, so cosmetics. And are they all cosmetics with CBD?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't find cosmetics like from Fitama or something?
No, just daily hemp with CBD.
Okay. So how do we use these products?
Each product is used differently. The flowers can be infused or vaporized and are generally used for a fun side. The oils are taken in the form of drops to be put under the tongue and can relieve a certain number of aches.
Yeah, aches. Okay.
Infusions and tea are usually drunk for the afternoon English tea or before going to bed. You can also consume CBD in a dermal version with different cosmetics, face cream, pain relief balm or massage oil, etc.
Okay, so that's quite popular, I presume, the balm. Okay. So tell us a little bit about Delhi Hemp, the company. Is it French? Is it German? Is it English?
It's French. There's two things. Our shop is located in Barbara, near Chambéry, but we are part of a network of franchises for the company Delhi Hemp.
Okay.
It's a French company whose headquarters are in the north of Paris.
Mm-hmm.
And apart from the flower, which still comes mainly from Switzerland and Italy, all the other products are made in France on the premises of Delhi Hemp.
Okay, so we can say you are able to say that these products are 100% French.
Yeah.
Okay, well that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very good. And how many Delhi Hemp shops are there in France? Are you the only one?
No. Delhi Hemp now has about 80 franchise stores and continues to develop throughout the country.
Yes, of course. And I think CBD is becoming more and more popular. No? Yeah. So who would be your potential clients today? Who would be your potential clients? Somebody like myself?
Well, yeah, of course. People often have an idea, and CBD doesn't often have a good reputation.
Oh, okay.
However, their products can be consumed by everyone, really.
Are you sure?
Yeah, really. We receive people of all ages in our shop, mostly between 40 to 90.
Okay.
With very mixed questions and sometimes for special requirements for relieving pains and aches in the body. For example, stress, anxiety, for the sleep, migraines, joint pain, muscle pain, menstrual pain, everything.
Okay.
Can also help to get rid of certain addictions.
Are you sure it can get rid of addictions, for example?
Yeah, like alcoholism.
Okay.
People in depression or burnout.
Yeah, but it doesn't replace medication.
It doesn't replace medication, of course, but I see it as an excellent ally on a daily basis.
Okay, so on a daily basis, it can give you a little push.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you, I know I'm being a little bit curious here, and I shouldn't be curious like this, but have you had clients who say, no, this does not work. This is not something that we would use because it's not medical, because they feel that it's not it's made up information.
It has happened to me. I have the case with a client who was not receptive to the miracle.
Okay, so it does happen.
Yeah, it does. But also for the CBD to be effective, it's vital to be well advised.
Okay, well advised. Yes, it's true. We should be well advised.
Yeah, each person needs different advice depending on their morphology, on their lifestyle, and above all, depending on what they are looking for.
Okay. So I'm assuming the key element is being advised then, because, of course, somebody like me who doesn't have aches or pains, I wouldn't use something that I would use more herbal tea.
Just for anxiety, stress.
Yeah, but I don't have any of those symptoms. Aren't I lucky? So are most of your clients, well then, therefore, most of your clients are satisfied if you've only had one or two cases?
Yeah, well, I'd probably say most of our customers come back because they like the products and also appreciate the advice I give them. And of course, with our friendly atmosphere. This is important to us. We tend to take the time with people, answer them questions and queries, And as I said earlier, our advice is personalized to each person.
Okay, I think that's important for people to know that you actually, and I presume you all have diplomas in this and what have you. So you've all got you all know your work very well. So the advice is the key element.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. And very often people are happy with the impact or the outcome.
Yeah, they're happy and they speak about it to those around them. So again, we could say word of mouth. There's nothing more effective to my mind.
Yeah, I totally agree. Word of mouth. You can always talk about your English Weekly too every week. Word of mouth. Okay, so what's your favorite product? Talk to us about your favorite product.
Personally, I use sublingual oil a lot. For example, it allows me to have better quality sleep, but also relieves me during migraines or menstrual pain. It's super effective.
Okay.
I also like to use the face cream. CBD is super good for the skin, for example, acne.
Okay.
I can't tolerate many creams because of my sensitive skin, so there is an immediate hydration and it relieves me.
Okay. It relieves you it leaves your skin beautiful and young. Huh? Okay, and what about nerves or stress? It works too?
Sublingual oil. The best.
The best. Okay, so that's what you think is the best. Okay, fantastic. And tell me, what about where you are situated, or if people want to find out more about you? So tell us about your situation.
Our shop is located in Barbara, just next to Chambéry, in the Zone de la Paix.
Okay.
It's an artisanal area, so our customers benefit from the totally free parking. And it's next to the Voie Rapide, the main road.
The main road, the dual carriageway, or the freeway. It depends where you live. Okay.
Yeah. And it's also next to the Mambo Rock.
Yes, everybody knows where Mambo Rock. I think we all had somebody there at some stage. Okay, so if people want to find out more information about your shop, Deli Hemp, okay, we know they can go to the website. Or is the website the best place to go?
There is a website, but it's a franchise site.
Okay.
So we are not the one
who benefits
of it. In charge. On the other hand, we are on social networks. Facebook and Instagram, you can contact us. After studying communication, I'm the one who takes care of our novelties, our latest trends and products. You can contact us by message or call us at 0951348127 for any information.
So you said 0951348127 and you can they can find out more information. Okay, and you're on your Facebook and Instagram DH.
Facebook Deli Hemp Chambéry and Instagram DH Chambéry.
Okay. So that should be easy to find. Okay. What do you think is the most important part? Going online to buy things or to go directly to your shop?
You must come to us, not because we want you to buy, but because we need to advise you again.
Of course. You said that earlier. And it's true that today human contact is important, especially after COVID.
After COVID, this is the most important for my colleague and I. Human contact.
Yeah, and it's true we must advocate for local businesses. Yeah. And it's true that shops that are open, it's better to pass directly through them. Yeah. And even if there's something you don't have, you can order it, I presume. Okay, so before we finish, how could you define your shop to us?
I would say that it's an authentic and welcoming shop. We've made sure that the atmosphere is warm and that our customers feel good and confident when they arrive.
And if they arrive, they'll see you, Claudia, will they?
Oh, yeah, every day.
Every day, okay.
From Monday to Sunday. Not Sunday, Saturday.
From Monday to Saturday. And your opening hours are?
9 to 12 and 15 to 9.
Okay, so from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay,
exactly.
Perfect. So, Claudia, let's go back now. We could talk for hours about this fascinating subject and what have you, but we have to go back to our expression before we finish. So, gigging. Tell us about gigging. You are right, Claudia. A lot of gigs are known from the music industry. So, this is more known from the music industry, but we can also talk about the gig economy. Okay, well, that's all from us today. If you wish to listen to this podcast again, don't hesitate to find us on YouTube. And you will also find my Facebook page. I am useless at, but that's okay. So bye to all. Thanks again, Claudia.
Thank you.
Okay. And stay with us today on 92.1 because at 1 o'clock you will have Jessica with her latest trends. And then Astrid with all her advice on how to stay young and beautiful. Thank you again for everyone listening to the 92.1 Radio Grand Lac, and we'll be back next week for your English Weekly.
Your English Weekly. Your English Weekly. La chronique 100% en anglais de Radio Grand Lac avec Sinead.
24h/24, 7 jours sur 7, vous écoutez Radio Grand Lac sur le 92.1 FM.